Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you most unique camera app for Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as PWFNDR. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now just click on this install to download and install it. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. So on opening it will ask you some permission, just allow all the permission. So now you can see here the user interface. So below you can see the lens, which lens I have used. So you can interchange the lens by clicking on it. So you can see here, you can interchange the lens and you can see here the different options like ISO and tons of options here. So on the right side you can see here the aspect ratio. So in order to change the aspect ratio, you can just swipe up and down by using this bar line. So if you move down, so you can see 9:16 and 1:2 aspect ratio. So if you want a different aspect ratio, you can just increase and move towards the up. So you can see here tons of aspect ratio. So you can see 1:1, 6:7, 3:4, 2:3, 9:16. And 1:2. So these are the aspect ratio available. And if you want to see the settings, then you can just move it towards the topmost of the screen. Then you will see the settings options. So you can see the format here, which is the JPG, and you can see here volume up mode, and you can change the UI color also. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this application settings. Now just swipe it down again in order to close the settings again. And now if you want to click a photo, just use this button and click on it. It will capture. Now if you want to preview the captured photo, then just swipe down this white horizontal line towards the bottom. So you can see the recently captured photo and just swipe it towards the up again in order to use the camera application. So these are the various options that you're gonna get inside this camera application. So in my opinion, it's one of the most unique camera app for Android smartphones and tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.